Overall, from Amy's courses, I really learned to be a thoughtful leader and an intentional manager, and just be really confident in how I manage day to day.
Prior to taking Amy's management training series, I managed my team of 3 the way that I wanted to be managed, and I think this course helped me see that different people have different preferences in how they're managed.
Amy's course taught me the foundational skills to be a better manager overall.
Whether you're a new manager or even seasoned, it just has some really great fundamentals for how to be a good manager and coach.
She leads with being very, I would say, empathetic and understanding with everyone's own goals and visions. And she really helped frame everybody's individual goals to them.
It caused me to think about being a manager in a really different light. I definitely thought more about just being a good person first, and then being here for your employees and also your peers.
I really enjoyed that Amy's training is more small group focused. It really allowed for us to open up and learn from each other, from people in different backgrounds and different industries.
Amy's style of training was very hands-on. Instead of one of many, I definitely felt like one of few, and I had time to work with her one-on-one.
It was a really comfortable space to be able to share real-life experiences with other managers, to learn how best to relate to your direct reports.
Something I've started implementing from Amy's course is being proactive. We talked about being an architect versus being a firefighter. So being an architect referencing just kind of being proactive and over-communicative, but also part of that is being a good listener.
I really encourage anyone and everyone to take this course. It's been, to me, one of the most helpful courses I've ever taken, honestly, as a manager. And I go back to my workbook that I created during the manager's training series all the time.
I left the course with confidence, some new skills, and an action plan of how to apply it to my work life.